everyone, I'm Celia from Decowell Automation channel. In this video, we will go through the configuration process in RB1110 Siemens PLC in Portal. First, after adding the CPU, we need to install the JSD file for the module. Next, go to Other Field Devices, then find RB1110 and double-click the module to add to the network view. Then assign the I/O controller. Double-click the module, then add I/O modules to the adapter. It is important to note that the model, quantity, and order of the modules must exactly match the actual hardware configuration. Double-click the module to access its properties. Here we can set I/O parameters, such as input delay time, output substitute value, analog output data format and measurement range, as well as analog input type, filter level. Besides manually adding modules, we can also use the scan function. Click Detect Hardware to find all connected modules. The I/O modules will also be added here. You can use the online diagnostics features in online access to assign IP address and names to the modules. Once all configurations are complete, proceed to download. In the monitor table, we can test input and output. Okay, that's all. Did you find this video useful? If you want to see how to configure our other modules, please drop a comment to tell me.